Okay, so this is a video that I'm making about how to change the motor that controls the all-wheel drive on a 2007 BMW X5 4.8. Now, this is the same application that may go with other models, I believe from 2004 all the way up to 2012 or 2013. But I know there's quite a few videos out there. Some are for pretty much the 6-cylinder engines, but I didn't see any that's made for the 4.8. So I just wanted to make this video that may help somebody out as to, how to take that out and replace the motor. So if you have an all-wheel drive light that's on, DSC light that's on the dash, it says VTG box malfunction. Most likely the problem is the control unit. There's a switch which is a servo motor, which is right there. I see that's with the cable on there. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Mostly that's what's going bad. That's this motor right here. Okay. Usually in here there's a gear that's underneath this that goes bad. And that's the part number. This application is used in some 6-cylinder engines or some the V8 engines as well. It's pretty common. So I wanted to make a video about that. So for the V8s, well, it's a little bit of work compared to the V6s, which some people pretty much said is straightforward. But my V8 is 07, and just to let you know, what I discovered was that for the transfer case, there's this cross member bar here, which basically you need to take off. Alright, because you can't have enough room to get to that unit back there. So I had to do a little bit of alterations here. So what I did was I took these locking nuts off right there, off the shield. I had to cut a little bit of the shield to bend this part down. But basically there's 6 bolts. Let's see where they at. That's these bolts over here. There's 6 bolts here. These are 16s. And they hold this bracket. There's 1, 2, focus. There's 3. That's 4. That's 5. And there's 6 back there somewhere. But those come down. But once it's down, you just can't drop it because you need to do something. You need to take some other stuff off as well. So I unhooked the bracket to the muffler. As you can see, the muffler has its own bracket. I unhooked it, and it's almost out. It's almost out. But what I needed to do was I'm gonna take these 8mm nuts off. So this plate, which is this plate right here, right? You see how it's attached to the bar. I'm gonna drop it off so this way I can have this whole bar down, so I can have enough room to get to it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully I have enough room to get to the 4 torque screws that hold it, take it out, and hopefully we'll have the problem solved. So I just wanted to make a quick video to help someone get it done. I have a part 2 to this as well once I take it off, so I just need my hands to be able to get to it. Okay, but it's held together by this electrical cable. It just basically clips out. There's 2, let's see, there's 1 cable right there. There we go. And this little one. Okay. Basically, in order to have enough room and get to the torque screws, that's what you need to do. So this applies to the 4.8 transfer case. and how to replace the transfer case motor, because the servo went bad, so I had a display on the dash. And hopefully this helps someone out. Okay, so I have a part 2 to this once I have this bar, cross member bar, taken off.